I think this is the spot. So the aim of today's video is to build a small campfire with my dog Susie. It's getting a little chilly. I thought I'd get out of the house, so I've come to my local woodland area and I gathered together some materials. I'm going to generally keep the stuff that's dead. I'm going to build a small campfire to keep us warm for half an hour or so, and then we're going to make our way back. So enjoy the video and let's go and get the materials. So these are smaller sticks. These will be used to add to the fire as small amounts of fuel to get it going. So you do your big log, normally cut in half, then your medium-sized sticks, and then your smaller ones, and then you get it started. I'm going to try find what we have locally around here, what we have in this forest. I've never been in this forest before, so see what's around that's going to catch fire quickly. I'm not going to do anything. I'm not going to start a fire with my hands or anything like that. I've got a lighter if my hands will work. Oh, they're cold. Okay, so just find the things that light and what starts. Okay, let's go and get some more material. Medium-sized sticks. So now I've got the larger logs. I'm going to do this now actually. Create a bit of an area. Thanks for your help, Susie. I would normally put stones here, but there is no stones. But there's plenty of snow. So it's fairly deep. That's too big. So we're nearly there, just a few more sticks. And with our kindling we should have a fire going. So I've decided what I'm going to do with my kindling to get my fire started. I've got it's not a Swiss Army knife, but it's similar to a Swiss Army knife. And I'm going to get some dry wood. And I'm going to go at it with a knife. And when I've got enough kindling, get it in a pile, put it together, and let's see if we can get a fire started. So I just want to update you with what I'm doing. I think this is a great idea. So I've got a bag so it keeps all the shavings in, and I run the knife up and down, and then we're going to gather together as much shavings as possible, as much kindling, and put it on the top, and then add little bits to it when the fire's going, and hopefully we have a small fire. Now this is not the sharpest of knives. It really isn't sharp at all. Ideally you want a proper hunting knife or something with a sharp blade to get the kindling as long as possible so it has longer to burn. But I've got to make do with what I've got. I've been doing it for quite a while now. Just keep going at it. I'll show you in a minute how much I've got in here. I'm just getting a dry stick. Even though it's been snowing, the ground is fairly dry, which has come in my favour. Okay. So there we go. We've got our kindling in there. Let's see how much we get out of it. Okay, let's do it. So I've got my lighter and I've got my kindling. So I'm going to add to it as we go along. I don't want to waste it all now because I need to add some more, and then I've got some small sticks to the side of me as well. Okay, let's see where we go. It's still quite wet. Gently, gently, gently does it. Hey! We've got a fire going. Well, we've got smoke. All this smoke is the water coming out of the sticks, out of the kindling. Just keep adding little sticks and they should keep it going. This is just magical. So I'll keep adding little sticks to it. I need to go get some more. But having just a little fire like this after a long walk, it really does just brighten your mood and bring you closer to nature. Susie's quite happy over there, even though she's not feeling any of the fire like me. But we're still having a good time. I can go back home a happy man. This is lovely. As you can see, the snow around me. Bitterly cold. So the key is when you've got a fire and it's damp, just to keep adding sticks, and it should keep it alight, even though they are slightly damp. The fire should generally should warm the sticks quickly and get rid of the moisture and burn them. So once you've got your fire started, I mean, you'll get the steam with the sticks, but I'm not concerned. I just keep adding the sticks and enjoying the fire. Enjoy what you do in life. You've got to enjoy it. I think this is good thinking time as well. You can just come out here, have a nice fire, listen to the birds, have Susie in my ear hole, and just be at one with nature. Good thinking time. Thank you for tuning in to SusiePoos video. I thank you all the support and all the time that you've put into watching mine and SusiePoos videos. It means a lot that you watch to the end. And if you feel like you enjoyed the video, you want to subscribe, please do. That'll be much appreciated, and give it a like as well. So I'm going to enjoy the rest of this fire, and then I'm going to start heading home. And until next time, stay safe, be a pack leader for your dogs, and I'll see you in the next video. See you later. Bye.